Hi mga momshies, what's up, what's up? Welcome to our channel, The Crazies, and today it's Friday here, and we're gonna visit our doctor today kasi ito na yung laging mataas yung BP ko. Even dumiinom ako ng gamot, nag-normalize siya a bit, pero tumataas pa rin, elevated pa rin. So, we're gonna see on our doctor kung ano yung mga dapat gawin. So, nag-worry lang ako baka I'm already having a pre-eclampsia. Kasi, there are some signs na hindi unusual para sa akin. Like, nagkakaroon ako ng twitching dito sa aking eye. Most of the time, ganun na nangyayari. And, dito sa akin, may upper right rib, may pain, pero nawawala. Hindi siya constant. So, I'm gonna check up with our doctor. Ano bang ganap sa akin ngayon? Currently, I'm on 34 weeks. So, supposedly, 4 more weeks pa bago ako mag-enter sa full term. Actually, 37 weeks bago mag-full term. But let's see what the doctor will say. Okay, join us. Mag-aayos lang ako. And then, sinura na aayusin natin. Ayan, tapos na tayo. Ganyan lang, mga get up natin. Simpleng labasan lang. At dahil, yan, dyan, gustong ni Fiasi yung simpleng-simple lang. Ayaw niya nang masyadong yung presentable lang ba. Gusto niya yung simpleng-simpleng look lang. Hindi magbabago yung itsura mo. Ganyan ang talagang gusto niyang ano lang. Ayan. Yung para pagka nag-ayos ka, yung talagang bongga yung ayos mo. Yung lalabas lalo yung dito mo. Diba? Let's go. Work ni Papa. Tambay muna kami. Because it's 11:30. So, ang schedule namin sa doctor is 2 o'clock. We still have time. Dito na kami magla-lunch ni Mura. What would you like to have for lunch? Fried chicken.
From KFC.
Fried chicken from KFC. Again?
Yeah, because I love it. The chicken.
Love niya lang yun ng KFC. Before, pag nandito kami, lagi siyang, laging Burger King. Pag pumupunta kami, pag sumasama kami sa papa niya. Only Burger King, Burger King, Burger King. Now, KFC, KFC, KFC. So, but in KFC?
Yeah.
Yes? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Ayan, there you go guys. Kain mo muna si Nora. Chicken, her favorite, all-time favorite chicken. KFC, now KFC. Yummy, baby. Yan. Ako hindi na ako kakain kasi binigyan ako ni Papa ng takok sandwich with hummus and rocket leaves. So, busog na ako. Tapos, in-order niya ako ng manakish din. Ewan ko ba dito kay Nanay, bakit gutom na gutom pa rin siya. Yummy, baby?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yan, after na kumain, punta na kami ng doktor. Let's see. Kamustahin natin si baby sa aking birthday. This is garlic. You want garlic? Garlic mayo?
No, it's just with the
For
fries.
the fries? Okay. Gusto niya yung view dito. Kahit puro mga building, mga bahay ang kasi nakikita rin yung view ng Beirut. Pero ngayon, maulap. Yung part ng Beirut maulap. Kaya hindi namin makita.
A few moments later.
And right after ng ating check-up, which is okay naman si baby, but yun nga lang, medyo less pa rin ang ating amniotic fluid. We receive a call from our friend, which they invite us to their house to have dinner. And here it goes. Meron silang pa-surprise cake para kay Firas, which is talagang ngayon ang birthday niya. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please give us a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for our newly updated videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you all. Bye!